Good morning, good afternoon, my dear students. My name is Singoma Anatolius, taking you through geography. And I'm going to take you through geography paper 1. Geography paper 1 is called the physical geography of East Africa. Geography paper 1, also known as physical geography of East Africa. The paper has one compulsory number. That is map work. Then section B with made up of rivers and lakes, weathering, mass wasting, coastal geomorphology, and many more others. Then section C comprised of soil, climate, and vegetation. So that's how the paper is arranged. Section A is compulsory, takes 25 marks. Then section B, lakes, weathering, mass wasting, coastal geomorphology, and etc. Actually, still on the other compulsory number is photographic interpretation. Photographic interpretation also taking 25 marks. So today's lesson is going to be on map work, which is compulsory and takes 25 marks. Map work. We covered this one in O level and you very well remember. So here we are just adding on that knowledge which you got from ordinary level. So map work has very many items. To begin with, you should know how to identify the grid reference. You should have the knowledge of identifying grid references, then stating futures using different grid references. We should know bearing. We should also know direction. Then it is comprised of sketch drawing, sketch map. Sometimes we call it map reduction and enlargement. Then cross section, also known as annotated cross section. Or relief section. Then from there we have descriptions and then relationships. and some other items as we are going to see, but preferably that's what we should be knowing. So usually in an examination, the first thing is to know the grid reference, how to state the grid reference. The grid reference is stated in either a 3 by 3 digits, a 3 by 3 figure digit, or a 2 by 2. Any of the above usually works. For our case, we shall begin by, first of all, knowing how to state the grid reference. Before we state the grid reference, these are called grid lines. Grid lines are of two types. Others are moving upwards like this, from the north to the south, while others are going east to west. So when combined together, they form a square, a small square of around 1 centimeter. So these grid lines are numbered. They have numbers here, maybe 01, 02, 03, 04. Then maybe 09, 11, 12, like that. But when you combine them, they form a box, and their numbers are either in the sides here or up and down. So these ones, which are going like that, are called the northings, while these ones are called the eastings. We call them eastings because when we are counting them, we are moving towards the east. Hence the name eastings. For example, 0, 1, 02, 03, 04. We are going in which direction? In the east. Hence the name eastings. Then these ones, we are counting them towards the north. When we count them, we move to the north, hence the name northings. So you should not confuse them, because literally when they are just seen as if these look to be the eastings and these look to be the northings. So to get them clearly, just first of all count. When you count this one, you will notice that its number is increasing towards the north, and hence the name northings. Then these ones are increasing towards the east, and hence the name eastings. So that is generally the first thing we should do. We should note. So whenever you are told to state the grid reference, usually we are required to begin from the eastings, then we go to the northings. Take an instance, this is 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. This is 09, this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've told you that these ones which are going to the north are referred to as the northings. These going to the east are called the eastings. That is very important. It is very important to note. So how do we state the grid reference? If somebody says state the grid reference of a future here, How do we state? Stating the grid reference. Let us look at the grid reference of this item here. When you are stating the grid reference, whenever stating the grid reference, start from the eastings. Start from the eastings, then followed by the northings, and form a 6-digit figure. A figure with 6 digits, beginning from the eastings. Usually on this a map, there is a very small number on every figure. It could be 1, it could be 5, it could be the 0, anything. It is not usually considered. What we consider those big numbers, the two first figures. Now, how can I tell the grid reference of this item here? I've told you the first thing to note is start from the eastings. Start from the eastings, then followed by the northings. What are the eastings? Eastings are these figures down here or up here. The ones up or down, they are the same. Those ones in the sides form what we call the northings. So, what is the grid reference of this? Anything in this square, its eastings is 0, 3. 0, 3. Anything in this square, its eastings is 0, 3. And its northings is 1, 3. This one and this one. So for this item here, maybe this is A, this is item B, this is item C. So for any item in A, eastings is 0, 1. Item A, eastings is 0, 1. Then northings is 0, 9. So that's how we usually, that's what we consider when we are stating the grid reference for different futures. Back to our point, which was the grid reference at the grid reference at point B. So I said anything in this box, its eastings is 0, 3. Then its northings is 13. So, but I told you we should have 6 digits. So far we have 4. The 0, 3 is eastings. The 1, 3 is northings. Where do I get the two other numbers to make it a 6-figure digit? So what I do is I divide up this box into 9 equal portions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So to reach at this future in the middle here, I count how many small lines. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4. So 4 becomes my third number for Eastings. Then similarly, I go upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I count upwards until I reach at that future. That is 1, 2. So I put 2 there. So I will write it as 0, 3, 4, 1, 3, 2. That is the first grade reference. That's how we state it. Let us consider point C. Let us consider point C. Or item C. Item C is standing at Eastings 04. Northings is a 08. So similarly, I put the 9 equal portions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I count up to the future: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I record it here. Then the other side, I also count upwards: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to where the future is, I say 1, 2, 3. So I write like this.